Kiswahili.
Great ancient philosopher. He's the one who said that landed here in Lumbwa 1905 all the way to...
I was reviewing the CCTV footage of Utumishi Academy and I felt very sad. I even struggled to sleep because we could see the kids who are coming to light the fire. Very brilliant kids. Some who have got the best because that's a high school, that's a national school. But for them to just get paraffin and a matchbox and burn a dormitory, really consciously seeing their colleagues sleeping there and walk out and leave them to die, that is something, that is the most demonic thing I saw myself and I've seen. And I must say this, that as children and as students, as teenagers, because most of you are teenagers, you need to know that it is not enough to be brilliant. It is important to have the right character, to have the attitude of learning, to have the necessary skills that you need to navigate life. Don't only focus on, you know, I must pass my exams. You must ask yourself, where is the place of character and discipline in your life? And so I want to encourage teachers, build good networks and relationship with your students so that you can get feedback about what's coming in the school. There are no drugs that are sold in any school that the students don't know. There is no strike that is planned that a good number of students don't know. And good students are willing to give that information. Let us make our schools a safe place for the good students to find a way of giving information to the administration and ensure that there is no distance between the children and the administration.
And I want to thank Chair